Hello everyone, this is Kanak and today I'm back with something new. So today we are going to learn how to add different kinds of background to a slide. Yes, to a slide in PowerPoint. So first of all, to do that, you should go in the Design tab. When you click on the Design tab, you will have the option of background. You will have an arrow mark, just click on it, then you get many options. I will teach you how to do step by step. So once again, now we can do solid fill, is that we have colors theme. Then you can choose any color theme, like you can choose purple. Then this becomes purple, the background. And if you have a plain slide, if you click on designer and if you don't have a premium account also, if you put try it now, I'm just showing you, you have so many options. You can use any of them. You can use this also. You can use this also. Anything you can use. Many options you will be having in the designer. But if you don't have a premium account and you don't have the try now option also, then you can do this, but this will be really plain. You can do picture from file, choose a file. Okay, then you can go to Google and search like PowerPoint background images, and you can take any of the following images like background for PowerPoint. I'm choosing. I have done open and I will insert. Now when I insert this, it gets inserted. Just a second. Yes, see, this got inserted, and if we want, we can remove this picture and we can remove this all. Just a second. Yeah, we can remove all this. And then type again, welcome guys. So see, this is a beautiful picture. I really like it. And then you have multiple designs here. Oh my god, I have lot of designs here. If you have a premium account, you can choose these designs too. You can choose this one, either this one, anything you can choose. And then you can also go for apply to all. Apply to all. Then when you go for the insert and put like new video, add title and content, then you have like related to that thing. Yeah, not fully but related, actually related. Then you can, so now you can see this is totally working. And you can choose these options also. And here you have like more themes. You can choose any option. This is PowerPoint option. This you don't need to choose. PowerPoint itself will choose. And like suppose you like this picture a lot, okay? Okay, this picture is really cool for you. Now you suppose, one second, it gets loaded. You don't like the background color. So what you can do is select that particular slide, put a solid fill. When you put a solid fill, here you have a small arrow, click on that and you can choose red. If you like, it's your wish. See, you get a outline thingy and you can do it for all basically. Now if I give you this, I really don't like so much ready. And one second, sorry. So I will do it like yellow. See, it's really cool, right? So you can do this also, and you can change the slide size. You can put like custom size slice, and you can choose what is your side slice you want. And if you put like this, okay, ensure fit, and then it goes like this. And if you want your slide size can be widescreen also, maximize, then it gets maximized. So this is all about background changing, how to make it more beautiful. And if you want something plain, so you can get this. And now if you don't like the color, I do it a solid fill and make it purple. Okay. Oh, white. Okay, this is like a designer one, I think, so it doesn't happen. If you don't have a premium account also, you should get an option like try now. Then you can really do it, guys. I don't know. Some people don't get. I have like that. Like I know. Don't worry. See, now here you can put your background like blue, light blue. See, this also looks good. Then you add something, but then make the text like black. If you put the text black, it would really nice. It would really work on. Or you can put purple, anything you can type. I'm not typing this. I'm typing welcome. So this is how you can use it. Black also I would prefer. You can do it bold. And you can put black. Yeah, see, you can choose plain, you can choose any type, you can choose from picture from file. Like now I'll choose study fair logo. Okay, edited one, study fair, open. See, insert. Now it gets inserted. 1 minute. Yeah, see, study fair, family of learning, welcome. See, click to add. So it's basically like this. Then you can type whatever you want. You can type it with a suitable color, which gives you a nice, and then you can do it. And guys, this I am doing in browser, not in desktop app, because many of the people, they don't have it in option like do it in desktop app. And so desktop app is very easy. So like those who are using browsers, you can just go through it, because I think using desktop app is really easy, but browser is a bit difficult. So you guys can use these methods and make your presentation more beautiful by such beautiful backgrounds. Okay, so I hope you understood how to do it. And if you have any queries, please message us. So this is how. Awesome, right? So bye. One second. Bye. Thank you and goodbye.